YouTube, man, I got y'all a little POV, man, downtown Chicago, man. You know what I'm saying? Crack a window for y'all and shit. We gonna drive in track mode, for real, for real. I think we gonna drive in track. I wish my exhaust was loud. It'll bounce off these walls, y'all. Got that Porsche motherfucker in front of us, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Cruise downtown, though. See if I can get into some BS with some people, man. See if I can find some Scat Pack drivers down here, man. It's lit, y'all. I fuck with the shot. If this your city, comment below if this your city, man. Buddy right here can't get out, y'all. I feel like we burnt a little rubber. I smell it. It's a car behind me floating. What are you on? He think he in that motherfucker. It's a lot of traffic in Chicago, though. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know if I can live here. These lights are not in sync at all, man. What the hell? But I'm enjoying my time here, man. I went to this car meet today with my boy Shay. But got busy, man. I'm here on vacation, so the car stuff come last. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna give y'all this video. You know what I'm saying? New steering wheel coming soon. I'm trying to get the LED SRT emblem, y'all. And the one with the gauges right here as well. Coming soon, though. If y'all like a video, you know what I'm saying, I might get paid and can get it. You know what I'm saying? And I'll give y'all this one away for free. The goal is I really want to get this car away to one of y'all, man. I really do. You know what I'm saying? It's just material things. I don't really care too much about it. So I want to bless one of y'all at one point. The Hard Rock Cafe right here, man. I don't know if y'all can see this McDonald's, but this McDonald's kind of lit, man. I ain't never seen no McDonald's like this, y'all. So that's lit. It's a big ass McDonald's. It's different. It's all glass. It's different, y'all. I think we done found us a Scat Pack. But I can't get over, though. I can't get over. Tesla motherfucker in front of us. We done found us a Scat Pack. Let's see if you want to cut up. Can't get up there with him, dude. He at the light. This shit loud. Let's see if we can. I don't want to follow nobody though. Might try to think I'm the op. I don't know where I'm going. We get on the highway. Don't got nobody on y'all highways, man. Sound lit though, man. Fuck with all these buildings, man. Probably all pointless though. But man, I think I'm gonna start traveling, y'all. So y'all comment below what city y'all from, man. I'm gonna come to y'all city and I'm gonna show out, man. If y'all got slide shows going, car shows going, anything car related, I think I'm gonna start going out of town. You know what I'm saying? Sliding out there, man. If y'all trying to get content in, even if it's not car related, let me know. I'm gonna start coming out of town like every weekend, man, to get content in, man. If you close to me, I'm coming. You know what I'm saying? Car is so fun, man. Y'all gotta get one. Get a muscle car, man. You don't gotta get a damn Scat Pack, SRT, Hellcat, none of that. You don't gotta get that, man. Let's get you something fast, man. You don't wanna be in nothing slow. My shit's slow. This is a stock exhaust, bro. This sounds so good. It's so crazy. Y'all parking costs so damn much here, man. Let's take a left, man. Let's take a left. See, bro, like these lights just take forever, yo. Get out a little pool real quick. Y'all want another one? Another little pool. Car crackle and pop on the stock exhaust is crazy. We get a little pool when it's hit green. We is in track mode, man. We in my custom mode, actually. But what y'all run when y'all driving, man? What's y'all custom settings? Like, what y'all transmission in? What y'all traction in? What y'all suspension in, man? I like all my stuff in track, except for my steering wheel. Ooh, we couldn't hook right there, y'all. They got some speed bumps right here. They just knew I was finna come through here. Across the Chicago River right now. All over downtown, man. Got them boys right here, man. Like they didn't actually got somebody though. Let's see what they done got. They ain't got them boys. They checking that car. They checking the car. They on that car. Oh cap. That's how the Chicago niggas be saying it, huh? I wouldn't have gave him permission to search shit. I really need to get in my left lane. Y'all from Chicago though, man, or y'all been to Chicago. What y'all done did when y'all came to Chicago, man? Because I think I am gonna come back in like 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? To see what it's hitting for, because it's a vibe, man. I definitely gotta run this trip back. You know what I'm saying? I fuck with it. Definitely fuck with the vibes here, man. Only been here for 1 day. Fucking with it. If I lived here though, definitely would be downtown, man. They got everything downtown. You know what I'm saying? They got Target downtown. You know what I'm saying? That's a wide body track over there, y'all. I know buddy through the internet, but I ain't even gonna push up on him because you know what I'm saying? That's, you know how niggas get, man. That's a wide body track over there, if y'all can see. But hella close. Maybe I'm hella close.
I was 19 years old with 400,000. Not in my bank, nigga, on my fucking neck. One Ferrari, got into a wreck and got a faster one. Had a bitch who sucked a sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me not. Kick it with. Look, I kick it with a thought. If she really didn't class one. Spent $2 million on my mom alone, oh she glad I'm son. Still pulling out these burnt holes with a magnum on. It's free BG until that nigga free. I be